Come on, stop. Oh, don't drain, homeboy. Don't mess with my sugar rim. We need to get some sugar on the rim of this mimosa glass. So what I have here is some corn syrup. I can run that down. Okay, just a nice little bit of corn syrup. And so I take this mimosa glass, right? And I can get corn syrup around the rim by running the glass through here. Now I got this nice container of sugar here, and we can just stick this in and bounce around. Tap. Stick it in. Bounce around. Tap. 2 beautiful sugar rims. Now I come behind here with my raspberries. And in bartending, 1 is a lucky number, so is 3. So we want 3 in each one of these, because 1 ain't enough. Let's go with 3. Now we come behind that with the hottest mix on the internet right now. Pink Whitney. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very unique count style. So we come in behind that now with some pink lemonade. Give this a nice shake. And this should give us a pretty color. About so. Follow this one over. Like so, maybe a little bit more. Perfect. Some champagne. Okay, so you want to open your bottle. Woo! This thing right here is $4,000 a bottle.
Can you just spill it up?
No, it ain't going over. What do you mean? Come on, stop. Oh, don't drain, homeboy. Don't mess with my sugar rim. How you like that color?
I think it's pretty.
You like the color?
Maybe a tiny bit more pink.
Okay, guys. Now notice what she just said. She just said like a tiny bit more pink, right? So here's what we could do, guys. So now, I hit my spoon with just a little bit of this. Okay, that's it. So a little bit there, a little bit there. You don't want it too red, you see? You're trying to maintain that pink. Ah, you see what we did there? We amplified the pink without it becoming like red. And that's the goal, because you want to keep this pink. And there you have it, the Pink Whitney Mimosa. As always, homeboy, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. And check out this gradient, because you have a nice pink up here, you have a pink at bottom, and you have that little bit of color in the middle there. That one's a fun one.